Got a 12-volt power supply, a converter for the servo here. Everything's running on a Ramps 1.4 board on an Arduino Mega with DRV drivers. Stepper motors have AS5600 magnetic encoders. There's also one at the bottom here. The base is a pulley held down with a 3D printed nut sitting on small bearings. First axis is a cycloidal drive, and the second axis is a split ring Planetary gearbox. Pre-built Planetary gearboxes on Amazon are quite expensive, so I chose to design and print my own using my 3D printer with only a few metal parts and bearings. I made a split ring Planetary gearbox for the third axis, which was a little bit more difficult to make at first, as only certain gear teeth mesh with others in this gearbox. I actually found a calculator on Google that I will attach in the description below. The one that I built here, I was able to achieve 48:1 within a relatively small footprint compared to other gearboxes. This time I have my cycloidal drive mounted in a way that the casing is driven from the input shaft instead of the discs being driven. This cycloidal drive is set up to have a 37.5:1 gear ratio, and I got rid of most of the play, but there's still a little bit, although it's not that much of a big deal since the magnetic encoder should take care of that. The robot's a little slow, and I think that's mostly due to the code, as I'm not super good at coding. So I'll have to work on that, and I'll probably get a video later of the robot working a little faster. I did accidentally blow up 2 of my Arduino programming cables, since I wasn't aware that the 9-gram servos can actually draw more current than the USB cable can handle. So that's cool. Luckily I had a third one. Here's the robot working in its current state. I wanted to get it faster, but I've been working on this for quite a long time. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It definitely looks really cool. Next time I wouldn't go as crazy with the gearboxes, as those consume way too much time. I'd probably just get bigger motors instead with better drivers. My next couple projects are going to be a lot smaller than this, since this one took way too much time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out my channel for more content like this.